In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI-powered natural language date parser workflow. By the end, you'll be able to take everyday phrases like first Monday in July 2025 or last Friday of March and convert them into exact start and end dates, complete with confidence scoring and helpful context. We'll begin by starting the workflow with a manual trigger. This is perfect for testing and demos because it lets you run the sequence on demand, verify each step, and quickly adjust your setup without waiting for real user traffic. Think of it as your safe sandbox to confirm that the logic behaves the way you intend. Next, we'll provide the user input. In the Set User Input node, you simply type the text you want the AI to parse, such as first Monday in July 2025. Keep your phrasing natural. The system is designed to handle conversational language. If your use case is sensitive to a particular region, it's a good practice to include or confirm the intended time zone in the broader workflow settings so the interpretation matches your audience. From there, the AI agent takes over. This node uses an OpenAI chat model to interpret the request and passes the text to a dedicated natural language date parser tool. The output is structured for clarity and reliability. You'll see the original request so you can trace what was asked. You'll get a parsed date range expressed as a start and end date, which is essential for calendars, timelines, and automations. There's also a confidence score paired with simple visual indicators to signal strong, moderate, or cautious interpretations. The time zone is listed when it's relevant, along with any specific times found in the text, such as morning, end of day, or exact timestamps. Finally, you'll see a brief explanation of how the phrase was interpreted, so you can understand the reasoning and spot any edge cases. The natural language date. Parser itself is called through an HTTP request tool. It receives the AI's parsed text and returns a structured date range, confidence score, and context. This step excels at complex expressions, things like business days, end-of-quarter spans, or relative references, while still handling fuzzy terms with sensible defaults and clear confidence signaling. With this workflow in place, human-friendly date phrases become precise start and end dates, backed by transparent context. It's ideal for scheduling, planning, reporting cycles, and any date-sensitive automation. Press Run, review the structured output, and you're ready to integrate these exact dates wherever your process needs them.